Hello here, right now. Today is going to be a crazy day today. Today is Friday, August, I don't know what day, I think. What was that? Yeah, it is Friday 15th, 2014. Current time is 3:44. And I have my wr120 and a smoke detector here. So, on a Friday. Because I promised in my other video, I say stay tuned for an alert battle. So I have my wr120 right now. It's plugged in over there. It's running to an extension cord. I'm gonna unplug my tablet because maybe I might charge it right now. And here's a smoke detector, like I said, and I have some headphones for plugging in my ears. It's gonna be freaking loud. So we're gonna get started. We're gonna pop a battery inside here. So hold on one sec. Yeah, you're just like that, staring at the garage opener. Hee Okay, let's see how I pop this sucker in. With that. Holy crap, okay. Once I go like this. Go like this. Okay. Yeah, it's clicking now. So, I just put in the battery in the smoke detector. And we're gonna get started. Move this out of the way. So, we're gonna see which one of these is louder between the smoke detector or my wr120. So, what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna put my headphones on and we're gonna get started. So, excuse me. See if I can hear anything. Okay. Let's get started. Okay. I got my headphones on. Hold on, before I do this, I want to test the smoke detector. Okay, it works. So here we go. Ready, set, go. Oh, wow, okay. That was crazy. That was crazy. Very crazy. Okay. I think I might do it one more time. That was fun. That was actually 1 minute. I should go one more time. Was that crazy loud? We're gonna try again. By the way, I could only... Oh, yeah. I could hear the 120 through my headphones. That might be the loudest out of all of them. Let's try it again. Here we go. Just, come on. test, okay? 1, 2, 3. Okay, I was gonna do it for that short time. So that was 30 seconds. 30 seconds. Let's hope nobody's watching, because this would be embarrassing. Alright then, guys. Let's hope we can set on something right here. So, no, actually I'm not gonna put it on, set something on fire and blow it out. So, that was it for the alert battle. I'll see you next time. I'm right here right now if any alerts come issued or anything else. This is me signing off.